So there's a guy who lives on a boat about 3 blocks from where I work, and his name is Island Mike. Sometimes I'll take my sanity walks and walk over the bridge, and I could see his boat. It's this beautiful 50-foot sailboat, and I see him working on the boat, toiling away, staining the deck, doing whatever he needs to do to fix up the boat just right, because he takes people on these joy rides. I was able to do 2 sails with Island Mike. And let me tell you, those sails are such an amazing experience. Not only because of the views and because of, just being in a sailboat, cutting through the water silently, which is pretty amazing. It's what Island Mike brings to the party that levels the entire experience. So it's not just a sail. And the reason I bring this up is because, particularly with consultants, we get wrapped around the deliverables. I'm going to do this, I'm going to take care of that, and I'm not going to go outside of that scope. Well, Island Mike thinks of himself as a host and a guide. He is dimensionalizing the experience beyond the deliverable, which is a sail. He's helping me understand what it's like to be a sailor, what it's like to captain a ship, what the tides are doing, the wind is doing, the land and the sea, the ecology of the area, even the politics of the area. I remember him on the sail. He's like, here comes a gust, and literally 5 seconds later, the boat heeled over and we got more power. And it was just cool to experience what comes very natural to him is foreign to me. And that's kind of the same thing with your clients. What comes very natural to you is for that's why they're hiring you. So the more that you can act as a host and a guide to help them understand what you're doing better, they're going to appreciate you better. I hope that helps.